Hi there! So Foxin has sent us their newly launched earbuds and they call it Foxpods K2. Now K2 reminds me of the second highest mountain in the world. Okay, so these come with 10mm drivers and I'm hoping they sound really amazing. But what stunned me is their price, just 1299 rupees. Pretty interesting, right? Actually, let's make it even more interesting. We'll do a giveaway for this one. Watch this video till the end to know how you can win these. Now, let's quickly unbox them, we'll check out the build, the sound quality, and I'll let you know if these you should buy or not. But if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so you never miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. So here is the retail packaging of Foxin's Foxpod K2. You can see the image of the TWS earphones. Towards the back, you can see it's going to be available in two colors, black and red, as well as grey and white. You can see some of its list of features: Bluetooth 5.0, voice assistant, HD call conversation, auto connect, support for Android and iOS, HD audio, some manufacturing details, and the MRP. Towards the side here, some more features: multi-touch control, 15 hours battery backup, lightweight, 10mm powerful drivers, water and sweat resistant, and Type-C fast charging. Alright, let's quickly open it up. Okay, wow, that's a nice packaging. Here's the case. We have the TWS earphones. We have the earbuds. You have the USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Also worth mentioning, this is a pretty long wire. We usually see TWS earphones with barely a 6-inch charging cable. And you have the user manual. And finally, a 1-year registration warranty card. There you go. Alright, let's have a closer look at it. So right here is the case. It's come with this plastic protection so that you can prevent it from any damage. Okay, so this comes with a dual finish. Very interesting. The bottom part is actually glossy. I'm not too sure if you can see it. This is a glossy section, this is a matte section. Comes with the Foxin branding. You can actually even place it on the table when you want to keep it, which is really cool. And you have the pairing button, you have some LED lights here. Towards the back, Foxpod K2, some more information about the battery. And that's the case. Okay. Wow, that's a very compact case actually. So now there you can see charging lights, blue color charging lights at the bottom. And here at the bottom is the USB-C charging port. Wow, pretty nice. I like this dual tone design. That's something that really stands out. Let's have a closer look at the earbuds now. Okay, so we get the FX branding on the back. You can even see there's a microphone here, which is going to be helpful for voice calls. At the bottom, charging terminals, the nice gray tips, so you have an earbuds design. The build quality is pretty good. Also, they weigh just 3.5 grams each, which would be really light. Alright, let's check out the hinge. So the best part is you can actually open the lid just with one hand. And I've always preferred these for TWS earphones. Really nice. But you have to make that effort to push it nicely so that they get locked. Really cool. Alright, so let's quickly pair them. Take your Android or iPhone, go to the Bluetooth settings and search. Meanwhile, just remove the earbuds from the case. And you'll see Foxpods K2 show up. Click and it'll pair in a couple of seconds. There you go. Alright, let's check out the fit. Okay, so it says it's connected. And the first thing I'd say that they fit pretty well. The best part is the weight. I can barely feel that I'm wearing anything. Let's do that shake test. Oh my god. So they snug in really well and provide a very good grip. They clearly won't fall off. They're also water and sweat resistant, which means you can wear them at the gym or for a run and you won't have to worry about any liquid damage. Now these come with 10mm drivers, which I'm particularly excited about. So let's see how they sound. Okay, so they sound like the Mountain K2. It gets crazy loud. And the best part was that there was absolutely no distortion. Got very clear vocals and highs. Crisp sounding audio, I'd say. The bass, however, is decent. It's not very deep, but enough for casual listening. Frankly, $12.99 में इसका sound बहुत ही बढ़िया है. Then it also comes with tap gestures to control music. Single tap on either of the earbuds to pause and play. Double tap on the left one for the previous track. Double tap on the right one for the next track. Triple tap on either to enable voice assistant. Google Assistant for Android phones and Siri for iOS. Then you can single tap on either to answer an incoming call and the same to end that call. You can press and hold for 2 seconds on either of these earbuds to reject an incoming call. Now the good thing is that the tap gestures were very responsive. Sadly, they only lack one option, and that is to control volume. You'll have to reach out for your phone for that. Now coming to my phone call experience. Well, that's a mixed bag. Indoors, it's very clear both ways. The other person never knew I was not using my phone. But outdoors, it captures a lot of ambient sound. So I'd say use these for indoor phone calls only. And yes, you can pair them with your laptop via Bluetooth and use them for video calls, online schools, meetings, and they work just fine, no problem at all. Moving to the battery life. Well, the case comes with 300 mAh battery, while each earbud comes with 35 mAh battery. They provide about 3 to 4 hours of music playback and 2 hours if you use it for phone calls. In total, you get about 15 hours of music playback along with the case. Now, for 1299 rupees, I'd say the numbers check out for me. It's got good sound quality, responsive tap gestures, water resistancy, dual mic for phone calls, and decent battery life. It's great. It's available in 2 colors, black red and white grey. You can buy it from Amazon for $12.99. I'll leave the links below in the description. If you like to buy 1 or even 2, you should definitely check it out. Alright, giveaway ka time aa gaya. And I know a lot of you were waiting for this one, but I'll keep it extremely simple. 3 simple steps. 1. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Singh. Go right now, press that subscribe button. Follow me on my Twitter handle, Mr. Singh. And 3rd, like the Foxpod K2 tweet. That's it. Once the likes cross 300, yes, just 300. One winner will get these Foxpod earbuds. And trust me, you want to win these. So get going right away, subscribe, follow and like the tweet. Share this video with your friends and family so we can get there as quick as possible. You'll find all the links below in the description. Make sure you don't miss either of these steps or your vote won't be counted. Alright, this was it guys. Your feedback is always important, so feel free to drop them down in the comments below. Until next time, cheers!